Right, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin. The first chart we look at right off the bat, ladies and gentlemen, we have global champion channels coming up. Yes, indeed. Global CC coming up right there, baby. Okay. I'm going to go a little bit further here and pull the speed resistance fan. You can see we have a little bit of correlation possibly coming up in the next few days at this 382. I surmise something around here. You know, in the next 2 days, I say in the next probably 3 days or so, we'll hit this level. That would be excellent because we have this 382 speed fan right in confluence with the 618. Don't have any other confluences on it volume profile wise at the moment. Looks like above the value area high right there, but possible short right here already. Probably going to see this on a bunch of assets coming up. We'll go ahead and share this chart. For sure, this is going to be a great risk and reward right here. And if you want to see how I would probably mark this out, let's pull this volume profile right here again. For sure, let's take it down to this value area, the global value area high right there. And I say that, yeah, keep it right. You know, it'd be a little close. I would actually try to hit this just maybe a little bit further into it and look for this value area high. Okay. I think that we see here is really no volume past that. So we do want to keep our stop loss placement nice and neat. Okay. On that, yeah, I wouldn't expect it to go so much further than that. I really wouldn't. So there's a 3-to-1 risk to reward trade right there, if you like. So there's that. And yeah, we'll post both these in here right quick.